and we're doing a prayer to the Buddha for you. You're sick now, but we want you to get well. We're all here to visit you, Gabriel. We're all here to visit you. You make yourself get well. You make your mind strong. Make your mind strong and think I will get well. We're all here to visit you. You're a very handsome and smart boy. You're not alone. Your mother's here. We're all here. You relax, and we do some Buddha prayers just for you, Gabriel. Relax. We do some Buddha prayers for you. You pray too in your mind. You just think Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. You think like that. Don't worry and relax. We're all here and your mother's here. Relax. Very powerful mantra for you every day to bless you. You rest well now. It's already late. I know you've been listening part of the time. You're listening to what's happening, although you can't open your eyes, but I know you're listening. Now you go to sleep. Go to sleep, and in your mind, think about the Buddha. If you can't recite the Buddha's mantra, if you cannot, never mind. Om Mani Padme Hum. In your mind. I know you're listening. I know you can hear me. You're a good boy. In your mind, recite the Buddha's mantra. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. In your mind. Don't use your mouth. Don't use your mouth. Don't use your mouth. In your mind, recite the Buddha's mantra. I know you can hear me. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 In your mind, recite the Buddha's mantra. Good. Very good. Don't get stressed out. You can close your eyes and rest now. Close your eyes. I know you can hear me. Your mother's here, okay? You're not alone. You don't worry. You rest, get well. When you get well, I promise you a Buddha pendant. I'll give you a Buddha pendant. You get well. Think you will get well. Think you will get well. Think that you will get well. Think that you will get well. Be a good boy. Sleep, sleep, okay? Don't worry so much. Sleep and get well. Your mother's here. Don't worry, okay? Good boy. Don't talk. Don't move. Relax. I know you can hear me. Don't get worried. Relax. Relax. You relax. You mother, mama. I leave my rosary here for you, okay? When you wake up, you can use it. It'll be right above your bed waiting for you. A mala is a rosary. You've seen it. Monks and people carry. It's beads. It has 108 beads. And people carry it to recite prayers and mantras. I've left mine for you here. It's right above your bed. Touch your head to it so you know. Here it is. It's right above your bed for you to use, okay? Rest well. We're going to leave now so you can sleep. The lights are very bright for you, okay? You sleep. Sleep, rest. We're finished. Pastor Susan will teach you the mantras to do. Maybe not today, another day when you're rested. Today you rest, you're very tired. And you have to eat something now, many hours. Okay? The mantra she's going to give you, you do every day and you blow on him. Just like if you want to do 1,000, 2,000, oh my answers, that's all my answers. So when you're finished, blow on yourself. Tell him to get well. And talk to him. He can hear you. Talk to him. It would be good if you can bring some children's books, Dharma children's books I have in the gift section. The comics, all that, give to Pastor Susan. And you come here, either the mother can read it to him, or whenever you come to do the pujas, you read it to the boy. Some children's Dharma stories. Give her the books. She can read slowly and gently. Tell him Dharma stories. Tell him about Buddha's previous life. Tell him Dharma stories. Okay? Don't get like Lamrina stuff. You won't get it. Okay? Good. Your compassion is great. See you again. See you again.